Good morning, everyone. How are you all today? Fine? Very good. And I welcome you all in the world of letters. And today we are going to learn a new letter. Let's see which letter is this. So today we are going to learn letter T. Letter T. Yes. Here we can see big T and small t. And what is the sound of letter T? So, the sound of letter T is. To learn more about letter T, we will see a small story. So, get ready to see the story.
Letter T. Tim and the Tiny Tortoise by Ridhima Rawal. Tim, the baby tiger, is sitting in a tent on a rainy day. There is a teapot and 2 cups on a table. He sees Tina, the tiny tortoise. He asks her to come in.
Will you drink tea with me?
Says Tim. But Tina is afraid of him. Tim feels bad. He goes and sits under a tree. Tina then goes inside the tent and drinks the tea from a cup. The rain stops after some time. She runs out and gives Tim a toy.
Thank you for the tea,
Tina says. Tim is very happy.
Now, let's recall the words which we have seen in the story. So, let's start. Tiger. Tiger. Here is the picture of tiger. Tiger starts with letter T and the sound of T is tiger. Tiger. Tent. Tent. This is the picture of tent. Tent start with letter T. And what is the sound of letter T? Say it once again. So, tent. Teapot. Teapot. Here is the picture of teapot. Teapot start with letter T. And sound of letter T is once again teapot. Teapot. Here is the picture of table. Table. Table start with which letter? Yes, very good. Table start with letter T. And now tell me, what is the sound of letter T? Once again. Very good. Table. Table. Here is the picture of Tina, the tortoise. Tina, the tortoise. Tortoise starts with letter T. And the sound of letter T is once again tortoise. Tortoise. T. T. Here is the picture of T. T start with letter T. And what is the sound of letter T? Very good. T. Now, who will tell me what is this? Yes, very good. This is the picture of tree. And what is the color of this tree? Very good. Green color. And now tell me, tree starts with which letter? Letter T. Yes. And what is the sound of T? Tree. Tree. Now we will learn how to trace letter T. First, we have to draw a standing line. With the help of your index finger, start drawing a standing line from top to bottom, from up to down, and then we draw one sleeping line at the top, from left to right. Everybody, please trace with me letter T. Trace once again. Big T. First we will trace big T. Uppercase T. First we will draw standing line, and then we will draw one sleeping line at the top. Now we will trace small t. First, from the top, come down with one standing line and then curve little and go up. Now lift your finger and draw a small sleeping line. This is small t. So trace uppercase T and lowercase t. I hope you enjoyed learning this session. Keep practicing letter T and the related words. I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.